Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can display Google reviews in your WordPress website. So let me show you a section. Here you can see these are the Google reviews. So this is basically business name. So make sure that you have added your business on Google. After that, just you can go on the Google and you can find out your business. Here you can see this is the makeup studio. So now let me go back, and after that I want to add these reviews on my demo website. So let me go in the dashboard, and after that let's go in the pages, then scroll down. Here I have our test page. Then let me edit with Elementor. So now Elementor page builder is loading. After that, the next step is here we can add a new section. For example, one column. So after that, again, now here we can add a shortcode, but before that we need to go in the plugin sections and here type widget for Google reviews. So here you can find out multiple plugins, just you can test one by one. So I want to show you which plugin that I have used. Here you can see this one. So the plugin has 5-star ratings with 1000 plus active installations. So 1 lakh plus active installations. Then after that, activate it. Next step is here you can add your business. So let me go here. Just I want to display reviews for this business. Simply I can add here, and here you can see I got suggestion. So let me click on it, and after that here I can select language, then connect. So now here you can see reviews are displayed. Now the next step is we need to add these reviews in our website page. Here you can see a shortcode. Simply I can copy. Before that, just don't forget to save your settings. Here you can see save and update. Now let's go back on that page, then click here, and after that search for shortcode. Drag here, then add here code. So now here you can see reviews are displaying. Now let's go on the page and see how it looks. So that's looking great. In this way you can easily add Google reviews in your WordPress